I just have a ton of stuff that I want to do to get excited for February, and I feel like making videos like this always gets me excited. I'm gonna do like a lot of Pinterest inspired things, like baking a minimalist cake. I also want to decorate my room, and I have some cute room decorations to show you guys that are like Valentine's Day themed. I also need to get my nails done. The school year also just started for me, so I'm trying to do like fun things to keep me going. So doing videos like this always gets me excited because I have something like fun to do outside of all this stuff. Yeah, so I have a lot of stuff I'm gonna be doing in this video. I hope you guys enjoy. Ugh, my neck hurts so bad. I've been sleeping on it so weird. I've been sleeping fine, but I wake up in the morning and my neck is like in so much pain. Like I can't even turn my head because I slept on it bad. Like I don't know, am I sleeping like crooked? So right now I'm getting ready to go and get my nails done. I need a fill so bad. I'm so bad at getting my acrylics updated often. It is so expensive and I love getting them done, and especially for February I'm gonna get like a cute design, which I'll show you guys. It also takes a lot of time. Like it usually takes me like 2 hours every time I go. So these were my January nails. I found a bunch of inspiration pictures on Pinterest for Valentine's Day nails, so this is the one I think I'm gonna go with. It's like red with French tips and then a little heart. It's gonna be so cute. I love getting like holiday themed nails. So those will be my nails for probably the majority of February. I'm gonna go get my nails done right now. Okay, so I'm obsessed with how my nails came out. These are literally my favorite nails I've gotten in so long. They are so cute. So I took a ton of pictures of them. I'm so excited to have these on for February. So I ended up going with the red. And then I think my second nail set of February is gonna be like a shimmery pink. Getting my nails done, it just puts me in such a good mood. And every time I wear an outfit, I feel so much more put together when my nails are done. If you guys get your nails done like mine, definitely send me a picture on Instagram. I also stopped by Coffee Bean and I got a coffee. I got an iced caramel latte with oat milk. I'm so excited for my Valentine's Day themed nails. And speaking of Valentine's Day, I want to show you guys a few things I picked up from Target the other day. I got some of the cutest Valentine's Day decorations. First off, this candle. This is definitely like my favorite candle I own. I did not need a new candle. I have so many left over from Christmas and the holidays. I've just been burning all of those because I love the warm scents. I smelled this at Target and I could not resist. I've never smelled one this delish. This is the Red Roses scented candle from Target. First off, it's really cute. It's red and it has these pink hearts. It smells just like roses. Oh my god, it's so nice. It's the best smelling candle. I honestly might go back and get a second one. Go to Target and smell this. Like, it's insane. And tell me if you can resist or not. It smells like heaven. And it's also just so cute. I also got this basket from the dollar section. I thought this was so cute. I have a section on my dresser where my perfumes and my shower products are, and I kind of just needed like a little basket to put my stuff in. So this one is shaped as a heart, and then it has hearts on the side. They had a few different colors, but I went with pink. And then the very last thing I found are these measuring cups. Not only are these so cute, they're shaped as hearts, but it also comes with so many. It has teaspoons, tablespoons, cups. I've never seen such a nice pack like this, and it was also only $3. I got these from my future apartment. I do that so often. I like go to the store and every time I see something, I'm like, I could use that for my apartment. I need an excuse to buy all this cute home stuff. I'm not just gonna use them for Valentine's Day. I'm gonna use them all year round, but I'm gonna use these right now because we are gonna make a cake. So I went to the grocery store and got my ingredients. Which one should I choose? So my plan is I'm gonna make 2 mini cakes. I'm a little scared because when I bake, it doesn't always go the best. Usually my biggest problem is I'll bake the cake and then I won't let it cool for long enough. So then when I go to cut it, it all like falls apart. I went with chocolate cake mix, and then I got 2 of these cream cheese frostings. I also was thinking funfetti or red velvet. Red velvet would have been cute. So my plan is to make 2 mini cakes in the shape of a heart. So I saw all these pictures on Pinterest for some inspiration. I want to take some cute pictures with it. This is like a whole Pinterest vlog, like all inspired by Pinterest things. So yeah, let's do it. I'm gonna make this cake. So I'm gonna preheat the oven. Okay, so I have my bowl and I'm gonna put the cake mix in it. I have to add water, vegetable oil, and 3 eggs. I'm honestly more of a brownie person, so maybe I'll do brownies next time I do like a baking video. Chocolate is my fave dessert. I have this ice cream from Ben & Jerry's that has chocolate, vanilla, brownies, and cookie dough, and I've been getting it way too much recently. This is probably my new favorite thing. How cute are these? These are making me want to start baking all the time. I always fantasize my own apartment and my own place. It's coming soon, you guys. That's like my 2022 resolution, is like I'm moving out this year. I have waited so long. I live in Ventura County right now and I love the area so much. I live like an hour from LA, 30 minutes from the beach. It's warm here, it's beautiful. There's not that much to do. Like, it's just the perfect place for me, and I've lived here for so long, so like it's really hard to leave. Like, I want to move out so bad, but like I don't know where to move to, honestly. But it's happening, you guys, and I cannot wait for the YouTube videos. I am so excited. I hope you guys are ready for that, because I'm gonna make so many moving out vlogs and just showing you guys my apartment, showing you guys the process, cleaning out my room. I'm getting so excited just thinking about it. But these measuring cups, this is really starting it in my mind again. When it finally happens, I'm gonna be the happiest I've ever been. Like, I know it. I know it's gonna be like a life-changing moment. All right, can I do this one-handed? Oh yeah, I am a master. I've got my ingredients in the bowl. Let's mix this up. I am very excited for this cake. I'm adding the cake batter to the pans. All right, we got 30 minutes, and those are gonna bake. Okay guys, so the 2 cakes are done. I put them on these plates and they're all cooled off. I cut out this heart shape on this piece of paper and I'm gonna put it on the cake and then cut it out. So I'm gonna cut out 2 hearts on each cake and then I'm gonna use that for the layers. I feel like using this stencil will make it so much easier so that I have the right shape. I made sure to wait till the cakes were completely cool because I always do this way too early. I think the cakes honestly came out perfect. Okay, that looks good. Here I have one of my heart cakes. What I'm gonna do is make this a 2-layered cake, so I have other layers here. So I'm gonna open my vanilla frosting. The first one I'm gonna make is just gonna be white with pink and red decorations. All right. I had to cut this heart kind of weird because there wasn't enough space on the cake to make it like a full heart. These are gonna look so cute. So I'm putting like a layer of frosting in the middle so I can connect the layers. And then this is another heart layer of cake. Look how cute that is after I cut it. Perfect, okay, that looks good. I have 2 layers like that. We'll do the crumb coat and then we'll do the top coat. Okay, I think I did a pretty good job with this one. I did the first coat of frosting and I think I covered it pretty good while still maintaining the heart shape. I'm gonna put this in the fridge, take it out in a little bit and do the second layer. And then I'm also gonna work on the second cake. Okay guys, so I finally finished the cakes. I'm gonna show you guys how they turned out. They are so cute and they were so fun to make. So I ended up making 2. One is white with pink frosting and cherries and one is pink with white frosting. They are literally so cute. I'm not the best froster, that's for sure, because they're a little rough, but they are so cute. I actually love the heart shape so much and the colors I used, oh my gosh, it was so cute. So I'm gonna take a bunch of pictures of these and it was so fun to bake them. They came out so cute. This is what the top of my dresser looks like, and this little area I have so many body care products. There's perfumes, body wash, lotion, hair products, skincare products, just like a ton of stuff all in this like pile right here. There's just no like convenient way to put it in this corner without it looking like a jumbled mess. So I'm gonna use this cute heart-shaped basket that I just got and put all of my body products in it on my dresser. I think that'll just organize it a little better so it's like all together in here. This basket is literally so cute. It's shaped like a heart and then it has all these holes that are hearts, and I picked the pink one because I thought it was so cute. So I ended up putting my rose water, a facial mist spray, my makeup removers, and my Moroccan oil. It looks so good. And then behind it, I'm gonna have my perfume. I just have these body mists from Bath & Body Works, as well as my body lotions and my body scrub, body wash, another body lotion. This is a body mist, and this is a hairspray. So honestly, I feel like that did make a difference. Everything looks a little more organized, and I love this basket. This is so, so cute. I can easily pull it in and out and see the products behind it. That whole area is so cute. I love it. Okay, lastly, I'm gonna light this candle. I've been waiting to light it. It is so nice. You guys, this scent is actually insane. I am so excited to light this. I wanna buy like 3 of these. My favorite candle by far. Okay guys, so I'm gonna do a little self-care night, and I haven't filmed one of my like self-care shower routines in a while, so I'm gonna do that right now. I need to wash my hair and just take a nice long shower. It's been a long day. I'm so tired. Right now it is 11:18. I'm gonna take this shower and then go to sleep. I try to wash my hair like not that often because you're not supposed to wash it that often. I also find that when I wash my hair more often, then it'll get used to me washing it, and then it'll get oily in like a day. Like literally I'll wash my hair and then like a day later it's oily because it wants me to fucking wash it again. The other thing is I have a dry scalp and it's so annoying and it's itchy sometimes. It's genetics, but it's whatever. So I use tea tree oil shampoo. My mom got this for me from Target. This is my first time using it and I really like it. I've tried a lot of different tea tree oil shampoos, but yeah, in the shower to wash my hair, I'm gonna use the tea tree lemon sage refreshing moisture shampoo, and then I'm also gonna use conditioner. I'm also going to use this hair mask. This is the Function of Beauty. This is like my customized hair mask that I did a few months ago. It smells so good. I got the lavender scent and I love it. And then when I get out of the shower, I always use the Moroccan oil and just put that at the ends of my hair and brush it through. This and It's a 10 are probably my favorite after shower hair products. When I get out of the shower, it's impossible to brush my hair. Like it's so tangly, but when I use one of those 2 products, it's like so silky and soft, and I could just brush straight through it. Of course, these are the most expensive products. They're just so necessary to me because my hair always feels so much better when I use them. And then I'm also gonna take off my makeup. I wash my face with the CeraVe Hydrating Facial Cleanser. Honestly, any of the CeraVe products I really like. I even have this one, which is the Foaming Facial Cleanser. I use both of these, and honestly, they're both really good. I also like the CeraVe Moisturizer. I'm also gonna use the Bath & Body Works Winter Candy Apple Whipped Sugar Body Scrub, but it smells so good. I usually will use these through January after Christmas. And then this is the Love Cotton Candy Champagne Body Lotion from Bath & Body Works, another Christmas scent. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. I'll use this after I get out of the shower as well. So yeah, those are all the products I'm gonna use right now. That's a little shower routine for you guys. I want to do an updated, like go to the store and get my self-care products and then do an updated shower routine for you guys and like walk you through my process, but this is what I've been using recently. I'm gonna turn on my Spotify and take a nice shower. I usually shower in the morning just because it wakes me up, it makes me feel refreshed, but showering at night is a totally different feeling. Like it's just so nice because you get to relax, listen to your music and spend time in the shower, go through your routine nice and slow. When you get into bed and you're like super clean and fresh out of the shower, it's just such a nice feeling, especially when you shave your legs. Oh my god. And then like you're in the sheets and it's so soft. Those are one of those heavenly feelings, you guys. I'm going on Spotify. I'm gonna play some music and enjoy my shower right now.